Hi,
Hi,
how are
how are,
you?
I am great, and how are you? Long time no see.
Yes, I'm good, thank you. Um, it's quite hot in England for a
Yeah.
change.
Oh, really? Here also.
Yeah,
Same
y-
here in India.
I don't think it's quite as hot as India though.
Yeah,
Maybe.
yeah. Actually, I think what is the temperature there?
So far not so hot, about 22.
Oh, 22 is pleasant in India. You can say.
Yeah. I know sometimes it goes to 40 or 50.
Oh
Um,
my God. Yeah, 40 plus. It is quite scorching.
Um, the problem with the UK is that houses are made to keep the heat in because it's usually
Oh,
cold and
okay.
we don't
That's
have
the main
air
problem.
conditioners. Yeah.
Hmm.
So when it gets to 20 or 30, it feels much warmer inside.
Hmm. Yeah, I can assume it because it absorbs heat.
Yep, exactly. And the fans we have just blow the heat around.
Oh my God.
It's not really cold at all. Um,
Shit.
so what have you been doing with your weekend?
Nothing interesting because I'm going to uh, plan to go to college because of classes are going on right now. So I have to go to college. So
Yeah.
that's why I have uh, two more Cambly classes tonight.
What are you going to study in college?
Yeah, actually, I am in last semester of engineering in the Department of Electronics and Communication, and
Mm-hmm.
only 2 months left.
Wow, that's very exciting.
Yeah, it's exciting as well as I have to think that I have to dive into the new world. I have to earn.
Um, it's okay. I prefer it. I prefer not having to do exams all the time.
Yeah,
Do you know what you will do after college, or are you going to apply for jobs once you
yeah.
finish?
I'm going to apply for jobs, and also companies are coming in my college. Campusing is going on, so I think I
Mhm.
can get placed.
Yep, that's really good. And
Yeah, thank you.
do you think you will stay home, or do you think you will
Uh,
move to another
no.
country?
Yeah, I think I have to move, not another country, but I have to move outside of my state.
Mm-hmm. And how far away do you think you'd have to go for a
Oh,
job?
it's maybe, I really don't think, but it may be quite uh, away from like 300, 500 kilometer minimum.
Yeah.
So I have to stay in PG.
Mm-hmm. Um, so with engineering, do you specialize in anything? Because I have a student who's an engineer, but it's in soil.
Oh
So,
yeah, I am in electronics and communication,
okay. And
ECE.
um, are there any jobs that you are looking at specifically?
Specifically, I want to do jobs in IT sector,
Mm-hmm.
so I prefer that.
I'm sure there's quite a lot of jobs in IT where you are.
Yeah,
I mean,
nowadays, yeah, you
yeah.
are correct. Nowadays, IT companies have a lot of offers to the freshers.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that if you're in IT, you can get a job anywhere in the world.
Yeah, yeah,
There are
definitely,
so many.
definitely. Yeah,
Yeah.
yes.
So when college is over, will you celebrate or go travel somewhere?
Yeah, I am planning to travel somewhere in my state.
Mm-hmm.
I have to. I want to visit some. new places like uh, Darjeeling. It is the coolest place in the
Yeah.
West Bengal.
Mm-hmm.
And
Um,
have
go
you
on.
been to India before?
No, but on Cambly, I speak to a lot of people from India, so I have a
Oh,
list now of places to
oh,
go visit.
oh, definitely, definitely. So, what is
Yeah.
the first one? Do you want to visit?
Well, I would have to Google it because I saved it in my favorites
Okay,
because
okay, I said
I'm no good with names. Um, but I just know that there's lots of mountains that
Mountain.
I
Oh,
want to go
Himalaya,
visit. Yeah, I
Kashmir.
think so.
Yeah, a lot of things.
Hmm.
A lot of beautiful places.
And what's Darjeeling like? What type of city is it?
It is mountain based.
Yeah, and um, do you like hiking? You know,
I
walking.
I like hiking, but it
Mhm.
is I think it is quite risky. But I want to try if I once I visit Darjeeling. I want to try.
I can't really. I do like walking. I don't know if I like hiking, and our mountains are nowhere near as big as your mountains. Ours are tiny.
Oh, okay, okay, I see. And so who do you live with, ma'am?
Pardon?
Who do you live with?
My cats.
Oh, your cat. Yeah, my cat also. Yeah. I have one pet, uh,
Hmm.
which is cat, and I call her Minnie.
How old is she?
I think 1 year plus.
Is she a crazy cat or is she lazy and
She
sleepy?
crazy, crazy, and she is always, uh, I think, hunting something and searching something.
Is it safe for cats to go outside where you live?
Mm, yeah, kind of, but
Mhm.
sometimes dogs are there, so it is very risky.
Mm.
Otherwise,
In
it's fine.
UK, it's quite safe. We maybe foxes,
Oh,
um,
okay.
but that's it. There's lots of cats in our street, so sometimes there's cat fights. But
Okay,
apart
I
from
see.
that, yeah.
So dogs or cats are available there. Yes.
So the dogs, we don't. I mean, I suppose we do have stray dogs, but not so many. And there's
Like
definitely,
cats.
yeah, more stray
Okay.
cats, I think.
Oh,
Um, so most of them will be inside, but yeah, probably lots of stray cats, I think. Um, and one of my cats, I won't let him go outside because
mm.
he's not very smart. Um, and even though it's a cul-de-sac, a dead end, there's still cars. So I don't want him to go outside because I.
Actually, I can see it because I have also a cat. So
Mhm.
she is very not she is unsmart like the others
Yeah.
who stay outside. They are very smart.
Hmm. Yeah.
And I think it happens because of the care of ours. I because we do care because so that they I think they are not so smart as we do care them. I
Yeah.
think.
My other cat, I got her when she was 5 and she was used to going outside. So she's
Oh,
okay. He's very dopey. I don't know. He's just very like he's crazy as well, zooming everywhere. So maybe one day, but I think he will be on a lead like a dog. I think this is
okay.
safer.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. And
Yeah.
then what else you do besides teaching on Cambly?
I teach on another website, but also I'm a writer as well.
Oh, writer. Wow, nice. So
Yeah.
what is your pen name?
It's just the same because I write on websites about video
Okay.
games.
So blogging kind of?
Yeah. And some reviews and news pieces as well. And
Oh,
then in September, I will move to Japan and I'll just be a teacher.
oh, so permanently there.
I hope so, yeah. I'd like that. But you have to make sure you keep getting visas to live there, so we'll see.
Hmm. In September. Okay. So okay. So you will continue Cambly along with that.
Yeah.
Okay,
Um,
definitely. So we can meet another time on Cambly.
Yes, I like working remotely when I'm teaching. If you work in Japan as a teacher, it's usually children, and it's very difficult with children. They're
Okay.
lovely. You need lots of energy.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. It is fact. It is a fact that we have to give more effort to the kids.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, definitely.
True, true.
Um, do you think that you would ever teach engineering or IT
Yeah,
or
I love learning English as I love learning English. So I want to teach also English to the who doesn't have so much money, and that's
mm-hmm.
why I upload videos on YouTube as
Yeah.
well as I privately help some students also.
Mm-hmm.